Hey guys, thank you for joining. Today I have a really quick announcement to share with you. I am rebranding my company. Yes, this visualization is becoming Quipu Analytics, and I'm going to share with you a couple of reasons for doing that. The first one is that this visualization is a little bit hard to pronounce. I didn't notice that, but I actually had a poll. I created it on LinkedIn, and here are the results. Let me show you real quick. And as you can see, here is the question: is your company's name visualization easy to pronounce? 83% said no, it is hard to pronounce. So there you have it. That's the first reason. I wanted to find a name that is easy to pronounce and meaningful as well. The second reason here, and this is also really important, is that now my services are expanding. I'm gonna keep working on my Power BI tutorials on YouTube, but also I'm gonna be providing Power BI consulting services to individuals, small and medium-sized companies here in the United States. So this is gonna be really fun, my friends. So now you may ask yourself, what does Quipu mean? Just to give you more context here, quipus were actually recording devices made of cotton or camelid fiber strands. So the Incas in all Peru used quipus for collecting data actually, and this was the inspiration for the new name of my company. As some of you may know, I'm originally from Peru. I moved to the States back in 2015, and I wanted to have the Peruvian touch in my projects. So there you have it. Now you have a new company called Quipu Analytics. Also, please keep in mind that moving forward, my educational platforms, my social platforms will also have a new look and hopefully a better one. And I hope you like it. Again, guys, I'm here because of your support, so I'm very thankful for that. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.